Love, light, and life. This is Nuru the Raw Foodist, aka Nuru the Guru. I just came out of my crib right now, and on the side of my house, in the driveway area, you see all these wild herbs popping up out of nowhere. I'm pretty sure whoever's watching this video probably got a lot of these wild herbs growing around your house too. These are all medicinal. So right here we got my favorite dandelions. Dandelion leaves. One of the best herbs for diabetics. One of the best herbs for cleaning your blood and liver. Especially if you use the root. We got right here pricky lettuce. Wild pricky lettuce. Beautiful. They all is growing beautiful and green and healthy. So many different properties of that. And right here, one of my favorites too is the soul thistle. It's kind of similar to the milk thistle with the red stems. They're so juicy. Medicinal properties too. This helps with inflammation, muscle soreness, stomach issues, stomach problems, as far as gastrointestinal disorders. If you have any stomach pains, diarrhea, you could take this. Muscle soreness, like I said again. It also helps with increasing the milk flow in nursing mothers. Helps with lung problems, such as if you're dealing with bronchitis, asthma. Man, so many different properties it comes with. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick. What I'm gonna do is pick. I'm gonna pick this one. Come with good energy, love, light, and life. Love, light, and life. Give me your healing properties, baby. Love, light, and life. And I'm gonna also pick this pricky pear. Not pricky pear, but prickly lettuce. Love, light, and life. Love, light, and life. Love, light, and life. Give me love, and I come with love. Yeah, I got a lot more crib too. All these different greens popping up. And one thing about wild herbs, these wild leaves, that man don't have to attend to it. Wild herbs has the most nutrients in it and the most healing properties. Love, light, and life.